Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! Did you watch TV yesterday? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Home. Watch. Read. Cartoon. Conversation. What do you do at home?
I watch TV, read books, and I play with my sister.
Did you watch TV yesterday?
Yes, I watched a cartoon.
Did you read a book yesterday?
Yes, I read Aesop Fables.
Did you play with your sister yesterday?
Yes, we played with dolls.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. What do you do at home?
I watch TV, read books, and I play with my sister.
Did you watch TV yesterday?
Yes, I watched a cartoon.
Did you read a book yesterday?
Yes, I read Aesop Fables.
Did you play with your sister yesterday?
Yes, we played with dolls.
Word quiz. Watch. Read. Cartoon. Home. Conversation quiz. What did Lily say? What do you do at home?
I watched a cartoon. I watch TV, read books, and I play with my sister.
What did Max say? Did you read a book yesterday? Did you watch TV yesterday?
Yes, I watched a cartoon.
What did Lily say? Did you play with your sister yesterday?
Yes, I read Aesop Fables. Yes, we played with dolls.
You did it! You were superstar!
Yay!
Goodbye!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.